Hey everyone, it's Mark. Welcome back to another video. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. And today I am going to be showing you guys how to make this DIY abstract masking tape painting. I really love this design because it's simple, modern, and really easy to make. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you found my channel. Don't forget to click that little subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload some new content. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Start off by taking some painter's tape and randomly placing it all over the canvas. Be sure to press down hard on the masking tape so that the paint won't seep through. Then take some paint and paint in the holes not covered by the masking tape. I'm using red and pink for Valentine's Day. Be sure to give the paint a few extra coats to make sure it looks bold and easily seen. If you paint outside the lines and onto the masking tape, it's okay. This will not show in the final result. My canvas has now dried, and now it's time for the fun part, removing the tape. This can be a little bit difficult because, as you can see, some of the bottom layers might get stuck under the top layers. Now you're done. Alright everyone, so that was how to make a DIY masking tape art. I really hope you enjoyed it. Tell me in the comments below what video you think I should do next. And see you guys next time. Bye!